Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Friday. It's time to go do the last piece of work that you have to do. Finish it, and you're going to retire to the work week, and you're going to kick into the weekend. So, Friday is all about extra motivation because the 6 p.m. is so amazing on Fridays. Oh my god. So wake up, my friends in the east, wake up, hit up the Friday, finish your work, make sure no work comes to your weekend. Weekend is for you, for your peace of mind, for your family, for your loved ones, for your thoughtful process, for your meditation, for your food, for your rest. Weekend is all yours. Weekend is not for sweating at work, for work life bullshit. No, it's not. My friends in the West, I wish you all a good evening. Go have a good rest and kick into the Friday like a rock star. So, what did I do this morning? I did not wake up early. I woke up around 6:30. Was having a lot of mixed emotions and thoughts in my mind. So, meditation was difficult. Did not want to work out, but I thought, you know what, have to kick in. So, I wanted to go for a run, but the sun was really harsh and I'm having some skin issues, so my exposure to sun could be bad. So I decided I just hit the treadmill and I ran like a 5k and then did some stretching, and I'm talking to you. That has been my morning, and then it's going to be a tough day at work. So yeah, that's about me. Would look forward to hearing more stories from you. And tip of the day, and is exactly this. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल, which means your words are going to live through. But not all words we speak are great, loving, affectionate. A lot of times our words are full of mean things, anger, rage. People who say because you're angry or you have rage, you're a bad person. Don't buy them. They also come from a different set of emotions. I want to tell you today that rage or anger is a form of communication. It's not ideal, but it is a form of communication. People tend to give away a conversation or a dialogue or a monologue full of rage because they are in not the right mind frame or the mind space to express themselves any better than raging out. And the last you could do is judge the person. But I'm somebody who has been in this spot many times. I have wanted to express myself differently. I have felt under the the pile of shit that nobody's understanding me, and then I've just given it out in rage. What I'm trying to tell you is accept that if you have been giving out rage or anger, it's only human, it's only normal. But there will always come a time in this funnel when you know that you could have done better, or you can make up to it. That's where you need to be a person, a human, and stand up. So I think there are no anger episodes which you later don't regret. I think anger does more harm to you. I've always talked about it. So you have given a conversation full of rage, then you have taken time, months, weeks, years, days, whatever it is. But the moment that you realize that you could have done better, that's where the time you need to go back to the person and say, hey, what I did that time was the kind of conversation or communication I was capable of doing at that point of time. I am better today, and I know that that was only how I bursted out. But now that I'm better, I want you to know that my rage was coming from my incapacity to express myself better. Please don't hold it against me. Because if you don't go and tell people that, those people could be very important people in your life, and they would hold it against you. They would feel that you take pride in treating them themselves that way. So tip of the day is accept that it's okay to be angry, to give out your rage. Sometimes you cannot help to be in the best mind space to be sane, to avoid that episode of rage or anger. But the moment that you realize that you are now better, go back to the person and let them know that your rage was because of your incapacity to express better, and that you're working on yourself, and you will you will get better from there. You owe them to that. You owe them that. So do that, and you will see how people will start embracing you, and they will stop. People wouldn't hold back either. So that's my tip of the day. Embrace it on your Friday. See if you could put it to exercise, and I hope to see you sometime very soon, some other day. And until then, finish all your work. No more work on weekends. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.